Welcome back to Motech Performance. Now, you've seen our MW four-wheel multiple times before, but this week we changed the rules with what is possible. The MW4 then is our pinnacle wheel. It is our fully forged wheel, available in a completely custom fitment. And we've done them across plenty of M cars. We've had them on an Audi R8, we've had them on our 911, we've had them on Jaguar F-Types. The list goes on, but this is a first. You'll notice the center of this one is slightly different. No longer that studded bolt pattern, but instead a complete center lock fitment. Now today we have something very interesting coming in. We have a 992 GTS finished in absolutely stunning spec with some lovely complementing parts. And we've ordered these in a custom fitment, so an 8.5 front, 11.5 rear, ready to go straight on. And I'm so excited to show you what it's gonna look like. This car looks phenomenal. Behind me is the Porsche 911, completed with our first set of fully forged Centerlock MW4s. Let's show you the full reveal. Right then, behind me is a 992 Gen 2 911 GTS, finished in shark blue. This car is stunning. It's got some dissident accessories on it, the rear spoiler, the little triangles, the mirror wind deflectors, and also some other lovely carbon parts all over the car. So it'd be rude not to have finished it off with the carbon grey Centerlock MW4s. This looks phenomenal. We've put some carbon arch guards on there just to complement it, but the wheels are doing the talking on this one. It looks amazing. The carbon grey works so well with all the accents on the car, especially that split carbon spoiler. The whole entire thing looks phenomenal, and I'm really pleased with how it's come out. So let's show you the final clips of the car, but this one is definitely one of the best ones we've done so far.